Welcome back, guys. In this video, I will solve the required questions of 5.6.7 exercises. In this, I need to address two questions that are fifth and sixth. Okay, let me read what is the question. The fifth question is asking which carrier has the worst delays? Worst delays means which got maximum delays. Challenge: can you disentangle the efforts of bad airports versus bad carriers? Why not? Think flights, group by carrier, destination, and summarize. Count. Okay. So let me try this. We can fix it easily. Uh, Let me use the same command and let us understand what will be the result that we get. Okay. So whatever the code that is given in the in the question, we are using it, and we can see that carrier, destination, and enough. Okay, this one we can use to see the carrier name, like column starts with carrier name, and it starts with 90 is the first carrier because it is sorted based on the alphabetical order. Then it has 304 more rows to continue. Okay, so but we cannot make any conclusions based on the just number. We need to cross check what are the values of delays. Okay, so we need to cross check for best average delays and average arrival times. Okay, average arrival delays and average departure delays should be identified to decide which one is best carrier and best destination, and which one is best ca- worst carrier and worst destination. So when the values of departure delays or arrival delays are high, we say that they are worst worst carrier or worst destination. Okay, so we need to cross check what are the things that we look for. Worst, two types of worst things that are worst. The carrier has worst delays. Okay, which carrier has worst delays? We need to look more for carriers. So let us calculate, rather than using in the summarize, rather than using n, let us use worst wdp underscore del is equal to mean of departure underscore delay, comma na dot rm is equal to true. Now you can see that w delay is listed, and let us sort this one by using arrange command. Okay, so we can use arrange command. You just write it and fix that one. Okay, so let me deal with the, hope You guys understood, right? So let me tell you once again. See how I did it. See, just I went into the textbook and I just copied, sorry, not this one. I used the command that is given here to understand, to test whether how it is going to work. Okay, I just copied it and I tried to use the same command, and when I used it, I received carrier name and destination and total count values. But I don't need any count value because with the count value I can't work, I can't fix things, right? So what I did is I use the same thing, and but what I do is I changed it to the mean value of the delays for each group, and I arranged it based on the result. Okay, so here we have some summary. We got departure delay values, departure delay, mean value of departure delay of, and delay of the data set column, and I fixed it like when we got missing values, it should be excluded. So NA is missing value, remove true. Yes. Then I arranged it on the name of departure delay. Okay, I will be arranging it on the name of departure delay. So when I click it, I got results and I see that UA is having maximum value. So maximum value means it is the worst part, the worst one. Next, what I did is I created a command which calculates average arrival delays, and the same processor was followed, and it is sorted on the basis of arrival delays. Okay, when I clicked it, I got the values, I pasted both the things, and based on the arrival delay value, I conclude that UA is the worst carrier. Okay, that's it. Let me cross check. Next question: what does sort argument to count do? When might you use it? That's a simple question. Sort, we can decide like we on what basis we need to sort the data. For example, if we have three data here, what is the primary thing that we need to follow to sort it? First, maybe arrival delay or destination or carrier. On what basis you want to delay it? That should be decided. By default, sort will be set to true, and it will be sorting out for the first column. Okay, if you see this command, flights, in flights filter is not any, means the data that is not having any missed values and not having any missed values for array delay. For this data, when we press it, it means that the values that will be displayed will be sorted on the basis of departure delay when we are not using any sort true. You can see that these values are sorted in alphabetical order, but these values are not, because as it is by default true sort for the first column, it will be displayed on the sequence of the first column. When we use sort, we are here sorting it on the basis of destination. So when we use it like this, and you can see that the values will be sorted in a different manner. You can see that the values are displayed on the basis of arrival delay. Okay, this is how it works. Got it. So here the value is calculated on the basis of count of test. Okay, so count value on the basis of the count value. At the first time it was displayed on the basis of destination, and now it was it was sorted on the basis of destination count value. Okay, that's it. That is simple, guys. Let me copy paste both the things. Okay, You need to mention it like what happens when the sort is included in the command and when the sort is not included in the command. Okay, chalo, I'm taking this one. You need to say that when the count is not included, the data will be automatically sorted based on the values, based on the first value that will be displayed. Okay, and when the sort is used, it will be sorting the value that should be sorted out. Okay, so it's a simple solution. Just try it and include it in the document. Okay, this is how you should write in the result. It is observed that the data is sorted on the basis of destination name. It is because by default sort will be active for the first column. Then when we use sort, it will be sorting data based on the value for which the sort is given. Here the sort is given for the count of the destination. So for the count, the sorting option will be applied. Okay guys, so that is how it works. Just mention that. That's it. Thank you.